a gingerbread stuffy toy from day 18 and a little spiky ball from day 19. Oh wait, never mind, it's day 21. So from day 19, 22, and 20, we got yummy treats. And this is the cool toys I got. We haven't been uploading daily, but this is all the toys I got. Now I can't wait to play with them. The blue spiky ball is squeaking. This thing is crinkling. I can't wait to peel them off. Whoa, this is so cool. Hope you guys like and subscribe. See more. Thank you. Bye.